Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter video. Today I have a really cute layered paper craft for you. This is my Easter house layered paper craft. How adorable is this little cottage? You have it all decorated and ready for Easter. It also has all those bright and vibrant colors. Just a really cute paper craft. It comes together so easily and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making or paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, your cardstock, and if you want to add some dimension between the layers, you can use some foam squares. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can either purchase the individual cut file for this project in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in all 12 event files, video tutorials, printable worksheets, commercial licensing, and a bonus bundle of 12 more Easter cut files, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass using the link in the video description. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought onto our canvas. Now I've sized this design to really fit onto 8.5 by 11 pieces of paper, so you can resize the design if you want to make it a little bit larger or even a little bit smaller if you're wanting to put this maybe on a card or use for another purpose. If you're going to change the proportions, you can do that up here in the sizing window. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now, I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces. I tried to put everything out on the board here so that you could see everything, but a lot of it isn't going to fit in camera. So I will just say refer to that layering guide. It's going to show you step by step which one to lay on top of each other to get this all completed. I am going to speed up the video just a little bit while I do that, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there we go. Our Easter house layered paper craft is all set. Isn't that cute? What did you think of this paper craft? Isn't it really cute? I could totally see this blown up and put in like the center of a wreath or as table decor. Just so many options, and I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Happy Crafty Easter video. Bye-bye.